Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change brakes on your Hyundai Genesis Coupe. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and a complete socket set. You'll also need new brake pads, fresh rotors, and the correct brake fluid. Remember, safety is paramount. Always use sturdy jack stands and wear protective gloves throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe brake replacement. Now let's get those old brakes off. Begin by loosening the lug nuts while the car is still on the ground. Once loosened, safely lift your Genesis Coupe and secure it with jack stands before completely removing the wheel. Next, locate and remove the two caliper bolts, then carefully slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor. Finally, remove the worn brake pads and then the old brake rotor. With the old parts removed, it's time for the new ones. First, thoroughly clean the hub surface to ensure a flush fit for your new rotor. Slide the new rotor onto the wheel studs. Next, install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly. Then, use a C-clamp or a specialized piston compression tool to carefully push the caliper piston back into its housing, making space for the thicker new pads. To finish up, carefully reinstall the caliper, making sure all bolts are tightened to specification. Mount the wheel back onto the hub and securely tighten all the lug nuts. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm, which helps build hydraulic pressure. Finally, take your Genesis Coupe for a test drive in a safe area to ensure everything is working perfectly. And hey, for some great deals, including a fantastic water bottle, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.